Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A true symbol of American prestige and innovation, this motorhome sets new benchmarks for comfort, elegance, and power. First, let's talk about the interior. Cadillac is renowned for its refined craftsmanship, and the 2026 motorhome carries that legacy to new heights. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious, luxuriously appointed living area that blends modern design with timeless sophistication. Premium Napa leather seating, hand-finished wood veneers, and ambient LED lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The living room boasts a massive OLED flat-screen TV, a studio-quality surround sound system, and panoramic views for unmatched views while traveling. The gourmet kitchen features cutting-edge appliances, including a smart induction cooktop, built-in coffee station, refrigerator, and even a climate-controlled wine cabinet. The master suite offers a king-size bed with memory foam comfort, while the spa-inspired ensuite bathroom is fitted with marble accents and high-end fixtures, ensuring you travel with 5-star hotel luxury. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is an absolute showstopper. Its bold, sculpted lines and signature Cadillac grille give it a commanding presence on the road, while the aerodynamic body design enhances both efficiency and handling. A premium chrome-accented finish with multi-coat metallic paint adds durability and elegance. The large power-operated awning extends seamlessly, creating a perfect shaded lounge for outdoor leisure, while custom alloy wheels and illuminated Cadillac emblems underscore its exclusivity. Built on a reinforced yet lightweight chassis, this motorhome combines strength with easy maneuverability, ensuring Cadillac's meticulous attention to detail shines through in every aspect. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome doesn't compromise. Under the hood lies a 6.2-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain that blends raw strength with modern efficiency. Whether gliding across highways or handling demanding terrain, this motorhome offers a smooth, commanding drive. Paired with Cadillac's magnetic ride control suspension system, it absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, delivering limousine-like comfort. Its advanced 10-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless shifts, while Cadillac's Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system brings next-level convenience for long journeys. Safety and control are further enhanced with advanced driver assist features, making even tight city navigation stress-free. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is positioned as an ultra-premium product, and its pricing reflects that prestige. Starting at around $600,000, it is designed for those who demand nothing short of excellence. This investment covers bespoke craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and the commanding performance that define the Cadillac name. More than just transportation, this motorhome represents a statement of lifestyle, success, and refined taste. To sum up, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a masterful combination of elegance, performance, and state-of-the-art technology. It offers unmatched comfort and sophistication, setting a new gold standard in the world of luxury motorhomes. Whether embarking on a cross-country adventure or seeking the ultimate rolling retreat, Cadillac delivers an experience that redefines luxury travel. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.